Hello friends, welcome to your own channel on artificial intelligence and machine learning. We are learning Python basics in Q&A format. This is our question number 3. Loops. You have to write a code wherein you take an input from user, a input string, a number, and then you have to loop to print the string the number of times which is given as a input. A sample code to take input from user is shown below. Enter a string statement. You have to give a input. Similarly, you have to take a input for integer value and then loop through it. Pause the video, try to answer and then resume. Okay, I hope by now you would have got the answer. So let's see the solution. So here it asks for a string statement. Let me say K2 analytics training is the best. Enter. So I have given an input, the variable s. If you print this variable s, it has captured the input which we gave. Now here I am giving a input. This input will again get captured as a string. As such, I am going to cast it. Note, we are not here to pass any random string. We are not trying to make the code fail. We are trying to learn. So don't enter any such values. Give some integer value. Let me pass the value 5. And now we have to loop through it. Okay, the looping part. For I in range 0 to I, print s. This loops for 5 times. So this is a sample code for looping. In our upcoming session, we will have a question on conditional statement. If you like the videos, like, share, subscribe. Thank you.